I want to buy Gundam, but it's too expensive. I don't have enough money to buy one.
Do you really need it, or you just simply want to buy this Gundam?
I want it and I need it. Maybe. Besides, I'm collecting Gundam.
Okay, why don't you ask money from your parents? After all, you need it.
I'm too shy to ask, and there are so many expenses.
Why don't you save your money in order for you to buy it?
I'm trying, but I end up spending it for my requirements.
If you really want to buy one, why don't you innovate something, then we'll sell it afterward?
But how? I don't know how to operate a business.
Ha ha ha! Not all business doesn't need to spend a lot of money. You can innovate something out of your old things.
Pag-ibig, hindi parang cellphone. Pag naluma, papalitan. Ang pag-ibig.
Do we have to pay tax for our two-day business?
Don't worry, our profit won't be affected. Our today business is not registered, so we don't have to pay tax. That makes us a part of the underground economy.
Naghahanap ka ng maaaya, pagkat sadyang wala kang magawa. Nagsasayang ng bawat oras sa wala. Hala, na-search mo ng lahat sa internet, naubos na ang